fight! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got! If you don't want to die, then fight me! My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Now return the favor.
Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Pochita!
Facing the daylight, racing time in the stars in the sky. She's got my pager,